With 3 seating options, the J-315 model features a mix of semi-lounge seating combined with upright seating, all ergonomically designed to deliver comfort in a compact hot tub. Sophisticated ProFinish cabinetry with optional corner accent lighting, a HydroSoothe no-splash jetted massage pillow, and a low profile. Relief looks as good as it feels. The HydroSoothe massage pillow delivers a superior head and neck massage and a soothing cascade of water over the neck and shoulders. Highly engineered Premium PowerPro jets, carefully placed for an elite hydromassage, make it easy to feel why the iconic Jacuzzi brand is recognized as the industry leader. The ProAir Semi-lounge seat delivers total body relief, pinpointing and kneading muscles from your shoulders to your feet. Small target jets focus on small neck and back muscles, while large wide swath rotational jets cover larger muscles of the spine. Strategically placed BX jets along the legs and rifling jets at the feet deliver full body relief. 2 additional ergonomic seats offer PowerPro jets that relax the shoulders and back. This model utilizes clear ray UVC technology with a 4-stage filtration process that achieves cleaner water quickly with less effort. Experience the style and comfort of the low-profile J-315 hot tub for yourself. Contact your local authorized Jacuzzi hot tub dealer and schedule a wet test today.